today. First track, very beautiful landscape, a lot of mountains, very shallow forest. So good stage, I like it.
After this stage, we will open the new air flying company because it was so much time in the year, but everything is fine. The shocks work perfect, and we're really happy about the tires. Our tires is working everywhere. So we're happy. We reach finish today, and now we go to one more stage.
Today we had 3 special stages with a lot of navigation. I think almost everyone today made a lot of mistakes with navigation because the road book have a lot of corners, step by step, and it's very hard. But I'm happy today I reached the finish. I can talk about the results today. We will see tomorrow. Stay tuned.